Imagine hiring someone based on their resume alone, only to discover they later lied about their job. Fake job titles, exaggerated responsibilities, and even complete fabrications happen more often than you think. Skipping employment verification can lead to bad hires, lost productivity, and even legal issues. Hi, my name is Ken with KENTECH, and today we're breaking down why employers skip the crucial step that risks involved, but how to properly verify job history. You see, many employers skip employment verification because they assume resumes are accurate. But research shows more than 50% of resumes contain lies. References are not enough. Candidates often list friends and not actual supervisors. The hiring process needs to move fast, but hiring the wrong person costs way more time and money. Skipping employment verification feels convenient, but the risks are massive. You see, skipping employment verification can lead to fake job titles and responsibilities. A candidate claims they were a senior manager when they were an intern. Hiding past terminations. Some employers cover up bad performance or workplace misconduct. Lack of real experience. You hire someone thinking they've done the job before, they really haven't. And if they lack the critical skills, your entire team suffers. So how do you make sure a candidate actually worked where they said? Number one, contact HR departments. Call the official company, not just the references that the candidate provided. Number two, cross-check dates and duties. Make sure their job titles and responsibilities match what's on their resume. And number three, use a company like KENTECH, where we verify history, detect inconsistencies, and help prevent hiring fraud. At KENTECH, we use the latest technology to verify every job history check is 100% accurate. Fake resumes are everywhere, but you don't have to fall for them. Verify employment history with a trusted background checking company like KENTECH. Don't get fooled. Protect your business today and follow us for more valuable tips.